Elizabeth Roberts. I'm Smoothie R.
Hi, I'm Riley the ribosome.
Hi, I'm Miley, the mitochondria.
Hi, I'm Lisette, the lysosome.
Hi, I'm Riley ribosome. We are hiring new organelles. Lisette the lysosome handled him and took out the trash.
Hi, I'm Lisette, the lysosome. I am the waste disposal of the cell. When organelles become inactive or materials and large molecules enter the cell, I break them down by attaching myself to them and releasing my enzymes. I have more than 50 different types of enzymes. I work 12 months a year, 24 hours a day. I'm ready to work whenever the cell absorbs energy. My enzymes can even break down complex molecules such as complex sugars and proteins. In training, you will be trained to be fast and ready. When the signal goes out, there's a molecule that needs to be broken down. You will have to clean the cell by getting rid of old organelles and breaking down large molecules. As I said before, no days off. Never. Ever. Lysosomes like me are consistent in what they have to do. I benefit the cell by getting rid of waste materials. I'm basically the cell's immune system. I keep the cell healthy by breaking down complex molecules and inactive organelles. To be a lysosome, you need a high school diploma or have taken your GED. You have to take our training course and pass to officially get the job. But what's in it for you? You get to be around wonderful people. Everyone is so nice around here. Who's throwing all these orange peels on the floor? Oh, hi, Miley.
Ew.
Hey, I'm Elizabeth Roberts, the Smoothie R. And I'm a fitness instructor at the Cellular Sweets Gym. I'm associated with the production and metabolism of fats and steroid hormones. Not only that, but I also regulate and release calcium ions and process toxins. I play a large part in detoxifying a number of organic chemicals and converting them to safer water-soluble products. I also make or distribute products according to its location. For example, in muscle cells, I release calcium ions because they're required for muscle contraction. I work a couple shifts a day. I work one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and then one late night exercise session. I have all holidays and Sundays off. There are several benefits to this job, like, for example, I get unlimited access to the gym at any time of day. You can gain valuable career instruction for this job through an associate's degree in physical fitness training. You can get promoted for producing many lipids and steroid hormones, also by detoxification and releasing calcium ions for muscle contraction. If you run a whole marathon, you may also be considered for promotion. Living a healthy lifestyle is what it's all about.
Hi, my name is Riley the ribosome. I'd like you to join my front desk reservation staff at the Cellular Suites. Here, we make proteins by linking amino acids together. When the cell needs to make protein, mRNA is created in the nucleus. The mRNA is then sent out of the nucleus and to the ribosomes, which is us. When it is time to make the protein, the two subunits come together and combine with the mRNA. The two subunits lock onto the mRNA and start the protein synthesis. To make protein, you first need an amino acid, then another nucleic acid that lives in the cell called transfer RNA is bonded to the amino acids floating around the cell. With the mRNA offering instructions, the ribosome connects to the tRNA and pulls off one amino acid. The tRNA is then released back into the cell and attaches to another amino acid. The ribosomes build a long amino acid chain called a polypeptide chain that will eventually be a part of a larger protein. You should work here because there is nothing better than the healthy feeling of joining amino acids together to form proteins. I will offer a flexible schedule such as 24-hour rotating schedules, day and night shifts available. Team Ribosomes creates a schedule to ensure that they've got you covered. Should you need vacation time, I'll train you by playing pin the amino on the acid. Benefits of this job are that you will have a flexible schedule and receive good pay. A concierge requires no formal education beyond a high school diploma. A post-secondary degree may also be needed. If this hotel receives good reviews and no complaints, some of you may be promoted or given a raise. I guess it's time for you to talk to my sister Miley the mitochondria in the kitchen.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. My name is Miley the mitochondria, and I produce ATP here at Cellular Sweets. I work for 6 days a week, 12 hours a day. And I will train my newly welcome chefs. I would train you guys by having a little contest for the best ATP. And the way we make ATP here is through aerobic respiration. Now, that's just one of the many ways you can produce aerobic respiration. We prefer aerobic respiration because it's easier, it's simpler, it's faster to produce. So, to begin, this process is really critical in that ATP constitutes one of the body's principal energy reservoirs. So it's really important that we make ATP. 3 key components of aerobic respiration are glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain, also known as ETC. In glycolysis, one molecule of glucose is split into 2 pyruvate molecules, generating 2 ATP and 2 NADH molecules. Pyruvate is then converted into coenzyme A, which enters the Krebs cycle to generate 1 ATP and 1 FADH2 per acetylate coenzyme. The NHD and FADH2 molecules serve as an electron carriers by transferring electrons derived from glycolysis and Krebs cycle into the ETC, and the ETC proteins in the inner membrane proteins pump protons from the inner matrix into the intermembrane space. This gradient serves as an energy reservoir that drives the creation of ATP as protons are pumped back into the inner matrix through a membrane protein called ATP synthase. For each glucose molecule, a total of 32 ATP are produced via the electron transport chain, in addition to the 2 from the Krebs cycle and 2 from glycolysis. This yields a grand total of 36 ATP produced via aerobic respiration. Therefore, from 1 molecule of glucose, the presence of mitochondria increased the usable amount of energy from it by 34 ATP or 17,000% over glycolysis alone. Now here at Cellular Sweets, I do get days off or vacation days. I get to take off when I am sick or I have a family emergency, and I get 7 days off every 5 months. Some benefits that you get here as working as a mitochondria here at Cellular Sweets are that you get a really good pay and you have fun making ATP. Some requirements in education is a culinary degree, and we do offer opportunities for you to rank higher or to get promoted. We have an annual cooking contest, and what you do is you have to essentially make the best ATP in the entire contest, and if you do, you get promoted to a higher ranking. And that's it.
You get the best of both cells.
You get mitochondria
And lysosomes.
You get the best of both cells. You get ribosomes.
And smoothie R.
You get the best of both cells.
Mix it all together and you know there's the best of both cells.
Oh, don't put the first.
It's recording. Mom for the win.
Okay, I got your blooper. Oh my god! What are you doing?
Nothing.
Should I like? Okay.
I think those are the right words.